Morning. It is 10:11 on a Thursday. I think I mentioned in the last video that I completed my 2022 ICT series. Oh, first of all, I forgot my intro. Look at me. I forgot my intro. Welcome to my page, my video. My name is Tammii and I am the Thebullintraining training, and my whole intentions here is to inspire other mothers to start trading and to share my journey / journal it via videos. That's all I got. So, all right. I took a trade today, guys. This is my second profitable trade in a row. And let me tell you something. If I could go back and paper trade, when I first started trading almost 2.5 years ago. Yeah, no, it's 2.5 years because it'll be 3 years in June. When I first started trading 2.5 years ago, I was so eager to just throw. When somebody was like, you need a paper trade, I was like, girl, speak for yourself, okay? Just because you're a loser doesn't mean I will be. Oh, and guess what? I was a loser too. And so if I wish I could go back, because the thing is, it's not even about just losing the money, because obviously that's a painful experience. It's about creating the wall in your head now that every time you take a trade, you're going to experience this very painful process, right? So the apprehension I have with taking a trade now is there when I take a trade not on paper. And so it's the apprehension it's the lack of trust in myself now, because I'm like, girl, you sat through some trades that you never should have sat in. And then 3, also along with not trusting myself, the second guessing. So when I'm in a trade and I see something like a pullback or like they say drawdowns or whatever, my mind cannot think straight. Like when I tell you, my brain is that episode on SpongeBob where there's like, where's the files? Like that is my head. And no matter how hard I try it, I'm like, okay, I have my line. Here is my stop loss, da-da-da-da. As soon as I see that green little candle, I'm like, oh my God, I knew it. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. And a lot of people talk about how important the beginning of your trading journey is to do it better. Not just do it right, do it better. Don't rush the process of gaining confidence on paper before you step into the ring, because the punches are different. They're different. So anyways, I took this trade on ES. Now, why did I take this trade on ES? So we had news, we had CPI news, and I'm still learning. I do not know everything. Don't quote me. We had CPI news. So at first, when I just saw this, I was like, okay, where's my opening? Where's my opening? So we took buy side and sell side liquidity. And I'm like, okay, interesting. What does that mean? I looked around 9:30 when equities open. I think that's what we say. I sound so smart. We came down a bit, came up here, failed to take out that. So I was like, I don't really like that. We had no fair value gap, no nothing. But this is what I think this is called a bearish breaker. Yeah. So, but definitely help me. I'm still learning. Somebody might be like, bitch, that's not what that is. But that's what it looked like to me. And guess what? It worked out. So we came down here, but I also added something into the mix, guys. I am now, wait a minute, hold on. I might be incriminating myself. Delete. I am now charting the dollar. Do you see this? This is beautiful right here. This is my 2-minute chart. I kind of wanted to see what we were doing on the dollar. We're still stuck between these two fair value gaps, but I'm not holding no damn day trades. I ain't crazy. So, I went down in here and this is what I saw. We had a little fair value gap here. We shot up. I think initially, hold on. Get back over here. Yeah. So that's what I saw here. This is the move that gave me confidence. When I saw this little drawdown, we created that little hammer right there. We came back up. We did create a fair value gap here, which let me know that we probably were potentially going to come back down. Didn't matter, because let me tell you something right now. Hold on. Let me see my face again. My beautiful face. Hold on one second. Oh, where'd I go? Oh, I'm back. Anyways, so that little confidence, you see my crosshairs kind of, I don't know, why am I pointing? Because you can't even see that. You see my little crosshairs on the charts? Yeah. So that entry candle gave me all that I needed to know, because we got down here. Now the consolidation gives me bubble guts. Your girl was not trying to hold down here, because by the time, so I'm looking at futures, I'm still trading options, I'm charting futures, and I'm playing SPX option contracts. So by the time with this entry, and by the time we came back down to here, I want to say is where I got out, like right around here. Even though this was it, I had already was up 80% on my trade. Technically, I could have held through this because I would have still been in lots of profit. Looking at the dollar, we just kind of had a little bit of a drawdown. It was 10 minutes worth of a drawdown, I guess. And then we shot back up, another little hammer. And that shooting up gave us all this delicious bread here. But it doesn't matter. This was 80%. This is perfect. I do plan on, when I get back onto get off of paper trading, eat the small hanging fruit is what I want to see. And I also had NQ up. And I think, what else? ES didn't quite hit that level. What was that? I don't know. Anyways, ES didn't quite hit that level, but we did on my level here. Don't ask me where I got that from. Hold on. I think it was off the 5 minute. Hold on. I don't even know. Did y'all hear my stomach? Oh my God. Yeah, it was off the 5 minute fair value gap that we bounced up. So that was also my confirmation, looking at ES and NQ and the dollar. Progress. So I am looking, what videos am I on today? I went back to do month 4 ICT mentor core content. The bonds is losing me, but I know those are probably the most important things. I'm like, I don't care. Just get to the order blocks and the mitigation blocks and all the rest of the good, juicy stuff that I hear people talking about, because I just love the lingo. And I like when I post on Twitter and I'm like, and for mitigation, order block, bullish. You know, it's just like, I'm a badass. But anyways, it's not about how you look. It's about how you trade. So I'll be knocking that out today. If you see anything that I missed, if you have any questions or tips, write it in the comments below. How was your week? It's Thursday. Oh my God, I have a bump here. It is Thursday and 10:18, and I'm no longer paper trading. I'm not going to paper trade the rest of the day. I'm not going to trade at all the rest of the day. And we're still going to be on paper. I'm not coming off paper time anytime soon. Yeah. All right. Anyways, that's the end of my video. I just wanted to post that up. A little update, a little proud of myself, a little positive affirmation and reassurance that your girl can do it, that your girl got it, more so for myself than anybody else. All right. Bye.